Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. We have exponential equation we are going to solve together. We are supposed to solve for x, and they have given to us 2 power 2x plus 1 take away 2 power x plus 1 equal to 2 power x. We will start by splitting 2 power 2x plus 1 and 2 power x plus 1 into its product form. We know a power m plus n, this is equal to a power m multiplied by a power n. In that case, now 2 power 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 power 2x multiplied by 2 power 1 minus 2 power x multiplied by 2 power 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2 power x. For 2 power 2x, I can exchange the power and I will write it as 2 power x square multiplied by 2 power 1 take away 2 power x multiplied by 2 power 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2 power x. We can see here 2 power x, 2 power x, and 2 power x, they are common. So now I will let y equal to 2 power x. I'm going to substitute y into 2 power x, and this 2 power x, and this 2 power x. Y square multiplied by 2, take away y multiplied by 2 plus 1. This is equal to y. This will be equal to 2y square minus y. I'll bring this y to the left hand side. That is going to be minus y. There is 2 here plus 1. This is equal to 0. 2y square minus 3y plus 1. This is equal to 0. We are going to solve this quadratic equation. I'm going to split the middle term. A multiplied by b is supposed to be equal to 2 times 1. We get 2. And a plus b is supposed to be equal to negative 3. Now a will be equal to negative 1 and b equal to negative 2. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 1, we are going to get positive 2. Negative 1 plus negative 2, we are going to get negative 3. 2y square minus 2y minus y plus 1. This is equal to 0. We will factorize. I'm going to factor out 2y. I will remain with y minus 1. I will factor out minus 1. I'm going to remain with y minus 1. This is equal to 0. Our factors are 2y minus 1 and the common one, y minus 1. This is equal to 0. Let us solve for y. Now 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 1. I'll divide by 2. I'll divide by 2. We can simplify here by 2, 1, by 2, 1. We get y is equal to 1 over 2. And also y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now y is equal to 1. We have y is equal to a half and y is equal to 1. But remember, we let y is equal to 2 power x. Now we are going to substitute the value of y to get x. Let's substitute y is equal to a half into y here. We are going to have 1 over 2. This is equal to 2 power x. I'm going to reciprocate a half. This will be 2 power minus 1. This is equal to 2 power x. We have the same base. Now exponents, they're going to be equal. Now x is equal to negative 1. Now let's substitute y equal to 1. 1 is equal to 2 power x, but we know 1 is the same as 2 power 0. This is equal to 2 power x. Since the bases are the same, the power are equal. So x is equal to 0. Our value of x are x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to 0. Hope you understand this question. For more questions on exponential equation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.